Ladies and gentlemen, pushing off on Sydney's maiden voyage in the USS Laborn. Gonna do a little brim fishing. Turn around and say hi to the people.
Hi.
Okay.
One day the turtle is down, we'll take our even know. Oh, soon the weather will come to bring our children to you. One day the turtle is down, we'll take our...
That's Sydney with number 2, folks.
Yeah!
Number 2, wear me out.
Here.
Okay, I got it.
He's heavy.
Whoa, that is a good one.
Don't get him closer.
I'm not. That is a good one. Holy smokes. No, Sydney. Here, let me see it.
How do I do
Let me
this?
see it. Let me see it. Stop. Do you see me?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I can't let Sydney do me. Outdo me. There's one. One for Papa.
Big Papa.
All right. Gonna let him go. Say bye-bye, fish.
Bye-bye. Whoosh!
We're killing them today, folks. Killing them.
Boxer.
Oh, wait. Here, eat a snack while I fish this corner for a second. Got another one. This one's even better.
Skabalawi. Or that little... Ah!
This is an even better one.
Ugh. Splash me. Holy, look what we got there.
Number 2 for me. Another nice little bass.
We got a daddy
One more
that is
nice
about to
bass.
splash on me.
No,
Please.
I'm gonna let him go.
Let it go.
Bye-bye, fish again.
Bye-bye.
Watch it here, man.
Wait. Look at those tiny turtles.